Hey friend, how are you today? I hope you're having a great day so far. Today's video is really just a quick unboxing of a bag that I purchased from QVC, and it is a DOONEY and it's Florentine. So it doesn't really have a name to it. I'm looking at my iPad over here. DOONEY Florentine Leather Large Crossbody Hobo. That's what it's called. They had a large and then a small that they were kind of selling like at the same time, and I picked the large one. So it just came, and when it came I was like, I have to do an unboxing video because I have to move into this bag. I was super excited about it. So excited that, as you see, I didn't put any makeup on because I was like, I just got to do the unboxing. So here it is. I just pulled it out of the box, and it's a pretty good size bag in my opinion. So I'm going to show you the little tag thing on it, but I will also try to link it down below. So always check below. I always try to link whatever I have, whatever I'm showing, or if I'm wearing makeup or whatever. I always try to link those things down below for you. But here's the information on the tag. Let me pull it out and show it to you. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is the black. So hopefully it's showing up. Okay, I have lights here and here, but it's the black on black. They did have other colors, but the other colors, like they had a navy, which I love navy, and I was really wanting a navy Florentine because I don't have one. But the navy had like the red zipper backing, I guess is what it's called. So it had some red trim here and there to it, but there was so the navy one, there was a red one, there was an ecru one, and I can't remember the other colors. They only had like 5 or 6 colors, but I just really liked the black. So here it is. There's no pocket or anything on the back, and there's no feet, but let me give you the measurements here really quickly. Oh, it just smells so good. So the measurements are 9 by 12.5, and I'm assuming they're going like all the way up here by 12.5 by 3.75 here. It has a 27 to 31 inch strap drop, which is interesting. That's pretty long. And then it weighs 1 pound and 13 ounces. So of course we have 100% leather, and then the lining is 100% cotton. Of course, we have the dust bag here, and I did remember something not really, kind of special about this bag is that the straps are actually removable. So you may have noticed that already, but the D-rings and the rest of the hardware is kind of like a brushed gold, but the straps are removable. That was something else that was different on the other colors. All of the other colors had silver hardware, and I think this was the only one, I'm pretty sure, that had the gold hardware. So here's the strap. Of course, it's attached to the little key keeper. I never use the key keeper. Do y'all use that? I never do for some reason. I was on QVC the day that I ordered this because I wanted to order this bag from Patricia Nash that I saw. I think I saw it in an email that they'd sent me, and I was like, I need that bag. So I was looking, and then this one, I don't know how I found it. It some reason popped up or something in the search, and it changed my mind. So I definitely really liked that other bag, but I was like, no, I need to get this one. So that's what I did. Let me attach these straps. And like I said, it's 27 to 31 inches long, but it has the removable part in here so you can make it a shoulder bag. Beautiful hardware here. I mean, substantial. Love that brushed gold. And again, it is, you know, has really long straps, but it has the buckle here and then the buckle here. So I'm going to take those out because I don't think I'm going to be wearing it this long. Let me go ahead and make it like the shortest that it'll be as far as on the crossbody settings, but I think it's still going to be a little long for me. Okay, I just stood up and kind of looked at it, and even on the shortest settings on both buckles, it still goes to like, drops down about halfway down my thigh, the bottom part of the bag. So it's pretty long. So I'm definitely going to take out the middle buckle. And then this one I only put on the first link, so you can definitely make it a lot shorter if you want it. I really like that these are the, I don't know if you call it telescoping, but the little things that move all the way around so it doesn't get twisted. But let's look at the inside of the bag. It's just the regular DOONEY setup. So of course it's Florentine, so it has the green suede there. And on one side you have a zip and a slip pocket, and then on the other side just the slip pocket. And I'm sure the registration card is in there. Yep, here's the registration card. Just on the little sticker it says large crossbody hobo, so it doesn't have a specific name. Pull tab is a little piece of leather, and the zipper is good. I think it'll be easier when stuff is in there. Usually it zips much easier. Of course there's that pocket on the front, and it is actually gusseted, and that gusset is even the Florentine leather there. I'm on my phone recording, so I can't use my phone to stick in that pocket, and my case is in the living room, so I can't use it. This was just sitting here on my table, and this is just a maybe ½ inch to an inch shorter than the phone. So let's see. Yeah, so I think it'll fit in there even with the case. I'll let you know right here if it doesn't, but I'm pretty sure that will fit there. It's definitely not a small bag. It'll definitely fit all the stuff that I have to put in it, so I'm really excited to move into it. And I'm actually going to go ahead and move into it, but I don't have my stuff in here right now. If you want to see what will fit in this bag, let me know, and I will definitely do a what fits. So it won't make this video super long. I just wanted to do a really quick unboxing. One thing that I didn't mention is on the sides, you can adjust that. So there's one adjustment there. When it's this type of little closure, I don't like to mess with those. They're super hard to get in and out, so I don't even mess with it. So I will definitely just leave it. Hopefully that doesn't start popping up. This side's not. That side's totally fine. But I'm hoping that doesn't become a nuisance. But just to show you really quickly again, so I didn't really show you the really pretty stitching that there is. It's kind of like a brownish color, but it doesn't really stand out. I just think it's really pretty. All the piping on the back is really nice. There's that seam there, which I think is really pretty. I'm actually really happy with it. I think I'm really gonna like it. It has a good zipper. It's not hard to zip and unzip, so I really like that. But yeah, what do you think about it? Like I said, I'll link it below for you, and I will definitely do a what's in my bag if you want, but just let me know down below, okay? I hope you're having a great day. I hope you will like and subscribe. I'm almost to 2,500 subscribers. I'm getting there, so that's my next goal, so help me get to 2,500. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.